Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two latest smartwatches from Callme, the Callme C8 Max smartwatch, and the other one is the Callme P78 smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the design as well as the specs and the menus of the C8 Max smartwatch versus the latest smartwatch from Callme, the Callme P78. If you are interested to get the C8 Max or maybe the P78, watch this video first so that you can check if what is the difference between the two wearable or which is much better in terms of design as well as the offered features. Again, before we start, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. As you can see here, they have the same packaging here. We have the C8 Max smartwatch and the P78. Okay, the same size, much wider for our P78, but when it comes to the design of the packaging, it is just the same. And as you can see here, we do have a Super AMOLED display for the P78. Let's check on the specs here. For the C8 Max, we do have an IPS. For P78, we do have an AMOLED screen with a much higher screen resolution, 1.95 inch, 1.93. So minor difference when it comes to the screen size. 280 mAh battery. We don't have the details here for our P78. Both are compatible with a 9.0 plus iOS and 5.0 plus Android. Okay, it comes with a user manual and a USB cable. For the features, the same offered features here with a Bluetooth call, sports mode, weather, push notifications, as well as remote control for photos. But as you can see here, it has an LED flashlight, built-in LED flashlight. Okay, so again, this is the C8 Max and we have the P78. So let's compare. Okay, let's put this aside. So when it comes to the design, they almost have the same look here. If you're going to take a look at the front, there's a crown button. On the side, we do have a side button here. Let's go back. Let's see. Okay, dedicated push button for the sports. I think this one you can customize. And for the P78, we do have an LED flashlight. Okay, so this is a literal LED flashlight. At the back, the C8 Max do have a wireless charging, magnetic for our P78. So when it comes to charging your smartwatch, I think I like the C8 Max. For the P78, not bad either, but it is magnetic. Both do have a USB Type A to charge your smartwatch. Okay, again, for the display, the other one uses an IPS LCD screen, while the other one is LED or AMOLED. Both do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin for easy replacement. Let's check on the dimension. So we do have here a measuring tool. Let's try to check it. 37.9 when it comes to the width of our C8 Max. Again, let's make it sure. So 38. Guess it's 38. Okay, so 38. So it is around 38. While the other one, much slimmer body, I think 37.5. For the length here, it is 46.8. The other one, 45.7. For the thickness, without the sensor, it's around 10 for our C8 Max. For our P78, 10.8. Okay, almost 11 here. I think it's 11 without the sensor. Okay, for the weight, so let's check. We still have, yes, we still have a battery left here. 0. So it is 38.99 or 39 for our P78. For our C8 Max, it is around 45. Okay. Metal body frame. This one, it is plastic. Okay. So when it comes to design, so it's totally a different smartwatch for both wearable. Okay, there's no built-in flashlight. This one do have a built-in flashlight. For the screen display, of course, it goes to the Colmi P78 with its AMOLED screen display. The size is almost the same, just a minor difference. The weight is, yes, there's a minor difference only on when it comes to weight. Okay, again for the design, let's take a look. Okay, next, let's check on the menus and features of the C8 Max versus the Colmi P78. Now, let's check on the menus and features of the C8 Max smartwatch versus the Colmi P78. So, let's press the power button here to activate the screen. Here on top, we have the settings. So, it's a bit different when it comes to the layout. As you can see, there's also a flashlight here, brightness option, settings, almost the same, but I think it is much better here for the P78. On the bottom part, we do have notifications. Here, it's all the different menus and features here. Okay, somewhat like a dashboard for the common features. On the left side or right side, we have the widgets or the cards. So different options here. Then on the left side, we do have the notifications for the P78, for the C8 Max smartwatch. For the P78, we have the menus. Okay, when you tap on this one, you have the menus and features, a single dashboard. So it's a different setup for the C8 Max compared to our P78. But when it comes to the options, let's see. Okay, press, about this one, press access the main menu. We have the activity on the first menu here, different icons but the same features. Let's check. Okay, yeah, the sleep monitoring. Let's check out the layout. We have the heart rate. Let's check it also. Okay, so different design. We have the Bluetooth phone call, exercise. Let's check on the exercise here. So both do have a very good list of sports functions. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports. Okay, let's check it more. Let's scroll down to the bottom. Add sports. So we have popular, outdoor activities. I think they have the same number of sports. As you can see here, the same number of categories. Ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. Going back, we have the exercise, phone call, exercise records. You have the blood pressure. Let's see the blood pressure here. Okay, so different style. We have the blood oxygen, stress monitoring, weather report. We have message notifications, shutter or remote control for photos. You have the music player. Just different UI design, but the same functionality. We do have an AI voice here. We don't have it here on our C8 Max. You have relaxation. I don't know if you do have a relaxation. I didn't notice. Alarm, timer, stopwatch, cycle tracking. We have here the world clock, and we don't have a world clock here. We have cycle tracking also. Okay. So we don't have an AI voice here, but we have a world clock. We don't have a world clock in our P78. Oh, okay, we have an AI voice here. Okay, let's continue. So seems like there's more options here. We also have here a calculator. Seems like there are more options in our C8 Max than the P78. Okay, we don't have a calculator. We have it here. We also have an AI voice, and we do have a world clock, but we don't have a world clock here. Okay, let's check more on the settings. Maybe it's here. We also have stocks, games, and Muslim. You have display. I like the settings here, the design for our C8 Max compared to our P78. Vibrate and ring. Low power mode. We also have it here. Do not disturb mode. Phone. We have a gesture. We have always on display here. So it seems like we don't have a support for always on display here, but we do have a gesture. Language support. Yes, system the same. Okay. So it seems like there's more option here for our C8 Max, but there's no support for the always on display. Vibrate and ring display. Let's check. Brightness, sleep, watch face, menu view. For the menu view, we have at least 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So more options here for our P78 when it comes to menu view. Okay. Going back. Settings, display. So menu view, wrist raised, and that's it. So when it comes to offered features, there are more offered features here on our C8 Max than P78. But when it comes to the screen display, I think the P78 do have a much better screen. For the sports function, it is just the same. Okay, they almost have the same offered features, except that there are some additions in a P or in the C8 Max compared to our P78. Okay, but if you like the wireless charging, I think go for the P or go for the C8 Max. But if you like the built-in flashlight here. I'm going to show it to you. Okay. Pick the P78. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features of our C8 Max smartwatch compared with our P78. Again, if you have any questions or requests, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!